What is up, Light Fam? Welcome to another video. My name is David. A lot of the questions that I received over on Instagram this past week had the common theme of how to let go or detachment from outcome or even from a specific person. And this type of question can really be boiled down to how to let go of control. So let's get into that discussion right now. Let's go. Now, before we dig deep into this subject of how to let go of control, please click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Also, a lot of you guys have asked if the hourly Zoom sessions are still available. Yes, they are still available. I just updated the website with new lower rates for you guys, as well as some extra goodies that I will throw in with each Zoom session. Check the description box below. Now let's get into the video. So how to let go of control? Well, first we need to ask why we need to control everything. The need to control everything comes from a scarcity mindset. Scarcity is a subset of fear. So when we need to control every little outcome and all the people in our life, that's coming from a fear or lack of faith that our needs, whether they be emotional, financial, or physical, will be met unless we cajole all of the moving parts and variables to make our ego, who's tasked with survival, feel warm and fuzzy. But we do a whole lot of talking about 5D consciousness, Light Fam, on this channel. We do a lot of talking about how to trust the universe here at Lightways. So when we have an incessant need to control everything, outcome, and people, that, in my opinion, is a very 3D way of living, and it tethers us to the 3D matrix, which slows our 5D ascension. Fear, scarcity, survival keeps you out of the flow state of receptivity. When you're in the flow state of receptivity, you are connected to all things near and far that are a like vibration. This means that you are open to the infinite number of channels that you as the universe can use to meet your needs. Notice I said you as the universe. When we step into our rightful place as unity consciousness, we stop separating ourselves from our needs. We stop vibrating out of alignment with our needs. We stop placing our needs and other people up on pedestals. So when we stop attaching our identity and value to an outcome or how others behave towards us, we take all of our power back, because we understand that the outcome is not who we are. The outcome does not determine our value or worth. Needing other people to validate your worth may cause you to be emotionally manipulative, overly needy, and excessively controlling, because you need other people to act a certain way for you to feel validated. Conversely, if you are not attaching your identity to a specific outcome or how others act towards you, you're much less manipulable, because your worth comes from within and not from without. Stepping into unity consciousness or 5D consciousness means recognizing yourself as the eternal, multi-dimensional, invaluable being that you are. So if you're on your spiritual journey, meaning you've had a spiritual awakening, then you have a deep understanding that you are way more than just the physical person that you're looking at in the mirror. So if you have this innate knowing, why place your value on something physical like an outcome or another person? When you recognize that you are an eternal spiritual being having a temporary human experience, that's when you can fearlessly step into your true authenticity, which is where true happiness actually lies. Why? Because now you're free to live your life on your terms without the need for validation or approval. And if that's the case, then in my opinion, authenticity could be better summed up under one word, and that would be freedom. If you've never let go of control or detached from outcome, then you may not even know who you really are on the inside if you've never given yourself an opportunity to let the authentic you shine through. The authentic you is able to shine through when your value is self-actualized, independent of outcome or others' actions. And when you step into this type of authentic freedom, you may discover a whole new you. You may fall in love with an aspect of yourself that you didn't even know existed. So come on, Light Fam, step out of that fear-based scarcity mindset of needing to control everything. When you're not in a state of fear, whether it be fear of being worthy or fear of things not working out the way that you want them to work out, you're able to focus on gratitude. Yes, the G word, our favorite word here at Lightways. It's hard to be grateful for all of the wonderful things happening in your life right now if you're also in a state of fear or neediness. That state of fear, that state of neediness is a vibrational mismatch to gratitude. Moreover, when you place your value on anything external, people included, it's never really going to be enough. And when it's not enough, it keeps you from seeing all of the great things that you should be grateful for having in your life right now already, which keeps you in a perpetual state of neediness. When we let go of control and detach from outcome, yeah, not income, outcome. When we step into unity consciousness or D5 consciousness, dimension 5 consciousness, that's a thing. It really is. It's really a thing. Fear, scarcity, survival keeps you out of the flow state of recentivity. It's very recent. Recentivity. It's a word. I promise it's a word. If you've never let go of control or detached from income, I keep saying that. Now, question of the day. Name or describe. Describe, right? Yeah, describe. I'm talking to myself. One, two, motorcycle. Of course a motorcycle, yes. Awesome, wonderful, love it. Now, question of the day. Describe one way that you have self-actualized your identity as an eternal, multi-dimensional being. Leave those comments below, Light Fam, and also I have a couple other videos on how to let go, how to trust the universe, how to trust the signs of the universe, angel numbers, stuff like that. That was a real popular one. I'll put all of that in the description below. We got a lot of other goodies in the description as well, guided meditations, one-on-one coaching. We try to give a lot of value here at Lightways. Now, also remember, if you have a question for me, add me over on Instagram _Lightways. Chances are I will probably make a video topic out of your question so that I know I'm putting out videos that you guys want to see. If you liked the video, please like the video. Now, if you know anyone that is an absolute control freak, they have to control every little thing, every little situation, and every person, please share this video with them. It may give them the insight that they need to go within, self-actualize their value, and gain their happiness from within, and not have it depend on the external. All right, guys, I think that is it. I will see all of you in the next video. You know how we do it. Light, love, and abundance to all that are watching and to all you love. Peace, guys.